Why does the black circle around a black hole trap everything, even light, from escaping? In the energy filament theory, a black hole isn't a hole in space but a solid cosmic body with 4 layers, the outermost of which is the critical outer skin, also known as the pore skin. In this season, we're going to look at this skin from the perspective of fields. Picture the entire energy sea of the universe, with a black hole sitting in the middle, creating a tension wall around itself. Outside of this wall, tension remains normal, but as you get closer, it rapidly increases over a short distance. Eventually, the tension becomes so high that the energy sea seems to freeze into a thin, tight, and constantly trembling shell. As we discussed in Season 4, this shell isn't just a mathematical line, but a thick layer of skin with pores, a tension wall stretched to its limit. Inside this shell, the tension field is almost locked down, and beyond it, all paths lead in one direction, toward the black hole. From the perspective of the field, the so-called event horizon is merely the optical shadow of this tension wall. When light approaches this boundary, its path is stretched longer and longer, making it harder and harder to escape. From a distance, it appears to be trapped, which is why we see the steady black edge. But the true force behind all of this is that the tension field, stretched to its extreme, is like a pressure cooker. The core is boiling inside, the destruction zone is slicing through, and the piston layer is constantly tightening and relaxing, pushing the tension wave outward, eventually slamming into this wall, causing it to relieve pressure in a way that's almost like popping open and closing instantly. So, the field around a black hole isn't just intense gravity at a point. Instead, it's a complete tension wall in action. The area outside is a steep tension slope. On the wall, it's the critical skin, pulled to its limit and constantly releasing pressure. And inside, it's where we've seen in earlier seasons the tension machine at work: the piston layer, the destruction zone, and the boiling core. Now you can understand the event horizon as the visual boundary of this tension wall. When we talk about the modes of the field, the tension corridors, or the black hole jets, always remember this: a black hole is not just a dark circle in spacetime. It's a tension wall that rises from the energy sea, and all the fields and structures are trying to survive inside, on, or outside that wall. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.